Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Talkie AI app not working or not loading problem on Android devices. So here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your Android device, and after your device restart, go ahead, launch the Talkie AI app and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to check for Talkie AI app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Talkie AI and tap on it. And if you find any update available for this app, then update it. Then you can go ahead, launch the Talkie AI app and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to force close the Talkie AI app. So tap and hold the Talkie AI app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it. Then go back, launch the Talkie AI app and check. If that also doesn't work, then you have to clear the Talkie AI app cache. So again tap and hold the Talkie AI app icon, then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then check. If that also doesn't work, then click on clear data. Now please take a note, clearing the app data will delete the app data including files and settings permanently. So if you agree, only then click on delete to confirm it. Then go ahead, launch the Talkie AI app and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it. And then you can install any VPN of your choice, such as Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Super VPN, Ninja VPN, Octohide VPN, Surfshark VPN. So you can install any VPN of a choice from the Play Store, and after installing the VPN app, launch it and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then launch Talkie AI app and check. Now if you're already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then last thing you have to do is to check for the Talkie AI app server status. So if you find that their server status is offline, down, under maintenance, or having any outage, then you have to just wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can check. And the last thing is to uninstall and reinstall Talkie AI app. So simply tap and hold the Talkie AI app and then click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to uninstall it, and then just restart your Android device. And after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Talkie AI and tap on it, and then click on install button to reinstall it. And after it get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the Talkie AI app and check if the problem is solved or not. So by this way you can easily fix Talkie AI app not working or not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.